Today, I want to be very transparent with you. I am going to tell you exactly what I charge for each mobile oil change and why I charge it this way. I am not putting the prices in the title. I am not putting them in the thumbnail, because this video is not about shocking numbers. It is about explaining how this business actually works in real life. I get asked this question all the time. How much do you charge for an oil change if you come to someone's house? And instead of answering it one comment at a time, I decided to make a full video and explain everything clearly, so people understand the value behind it. I am a mobile mechanic. I do not work out of a traditional shop. I drive to my customers' homes, I do the work in their driveway, and they do not have to go anywhere. No waiting rooms, no wasted time, no changing plans. That convenience is the foundation of what I do. When it comes to pricing, I keep things simple and consistent. For a 4-cylinder vehicle, I charge $140 for a mobile oil change. For a 6-cylinder vehicle, I charge $170, and for an 8-cylinder vehicle, I also charge $170. These are my standard prices, and I stand by them. One thing that helps my business run smoothly is how I schedule oil changes. When I do oil changes, I usually book several of them on the same day. That day is dedicated only to oil changes and oil filters. This allows me to stay efficient, reduce wasted time, and give each customer proper attention without rushing. Every oil change I perform includes the oil filter. That is always included. On top of that, I check the other fluids in the vehicle at no extra charge. I do this because I believe a basic service should still be done professionally, not halfway. If a customer wants additional services, that is when the total can increase. If the vehicle needs brake fluid, that service has an extra cost. If the power steering system is not electric and needs fluid, that is also an extra. The radiator fluid is another add-on if needed. Nothing is forced. Everything is explained before any work is done. Some customers also ask me to replace the engine air filter or the cabin air filter. That depends on the vehicle, but it is something I can take care of during the same visit. Most people appreciate getting everything done at once instead of making multiple appointments. In many cases, I offer a full service package. That package includes the oil change, fluid checks, interior vacuuming, and a full exterior wash. When customers choose this option, the total service can reach up to $250. And yes, people agree to it because they see the value. Here is the reality that a lot of people do not like to admit. Many people are more lazy than we think. They do not want to crawl under a car. They do not want to deal with oil, tools, or disposing of used oil. They would rather pay someone to come to their house while they relax inside. What I provide is not just an oil change. I provide convenience, time savings, and peace of mind. That is what my customers are paying for. If I charged less than this, it would not be a business for me. Between fuel, tools, experience, time, and responsibility, it would simply not make sense. This is not about overcharging people. It is about charging what is fair for a professional mobile service. And the fact is, I stay busy because there are customers who understand that value. I offer many other mobile services besides oil changes. And in future videos, I am going to break down exactly what I charge for those services as well. Real numbers, real work, and real experience. If you want to learn how this business really works, stay with me, because this channel is all about that.